Diego built a channel reviewing AI tools honestly, cutting through the hype so normal people could actually use this stuff. 2 years of it and 400,000 people who trusted him to tell them what was real and what was snake oil. So he built a paid workshop sold through his own website. His members signed up, typed in their income, their business goals, their card details, and paid. The trackers, the pixel, the chat widget, the session replay tool, he pasted them in and never looked back. The letter came by email on an ordinary Thursday, sitting between two tool launches. Dear Mr. Fuentes, our client joined on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: a chat box that copied visitor messages to a third party, a script that recorded every keystroke on your signup, including the checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it disappear, $58,300 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Diego almost scrolled past it. His whole thing was knowing how this technology worked. This could not be his site. So he ran a scan of his own website, and he watched it happen. The instant his sign-up page loaded, before a single person clicked accept, 21 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on his intake form, his members typing their income, their business plans, their card number, and a script quietly copying all of it to a server he had never heard of. That was what hollowed him out. Jot dag ham! He warned people every week about handing their data to sketchy tools, and his own website had been quietly handing his members' most private financial details to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. His lawyer did not soften it. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands. $58,300. That was more than the workshop had made all year. It was the cushion that let him test tools instead of chasing ad money. It was a punch straight to the gut. But sitting there, Diego realized the fear had an answer. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the same thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. He could face this, knowing what was true, and make his members' trust mean something again. Diego spent every week testing what tools quietly did with people's data. And the tools on his own website, the ones he never tested, were the thing that nearly cost him everything. Right up until he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information